In this video, I'll show you how to buy your first stock on Robinhood, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. In order to buy your first stock on Robinhood, open the Robinhood app and go to the stock you want to purchase by tapping the search icon at the bottom of the screen and typing the company name or ticker symbol into the search bar at the top. Tap on the company from the results to open its page where you'll see the current price near the top of the screen. To buy the stock, tap the Buy button in the bottom right corner. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase in the field on the screen. If you want to change the order type, tap on the Order Types option in the top right corner and choose Limit instead of Market, then enter the price you're willing to pay and select how long you want the order to stay active. After that, tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Review your order details carefully, and when you're ready, swipe up on the bar at the bottom of the screen to submit the order. Once you swipe up, the order will be placed. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.